Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will make a project Microbit. The name of the project is Vending Machines. Okay, so first let's type it. Wait a minute. Vending machine. Okay, so let's create it. Before we go into the project, let's wait first. Maybe it take some minutes, and because now we need to add an extensions. So the name of this extension is this Subcribe. So we need to copy this link, and then we paste in here. Wait a minute. Okay. After that we enter it, and then we take the Subcribe extension from here, and then we click, and now let's get starting to coding. And I want to say sorry because I'm a little bit look to this code, and sorry for a little bit laggy because the internet is not really conducive for making video. Okay, so first we need to take the logic. We need to take the logic, and then we take if then. After that we add a logic again. We add this compression. We add this compressions, and then we click pins, and then we take this digital read pins, and then we change the P0 to become P1, and then we change this 0 to become 1. Okay, after that we go to the basic. And then we take show number. Okay, and then we go to the Subcribe to take this circle. Okay, so before that I want to explain a bit like what is show numbers means. Okay, show numbers, it means like when we click or we try to click this, and then will comes the number. Okay, so let's continue, and that's it for a short explanation. Okay, and then we change this S1 become S5. Okay, and then we change the value become 90. Okay, and then we take it from basic again. We take it's show pause. Where is it? Okay, we take this, drag and drop to here, and then change it become 2 second or okay, and then we make again. This is so laggy. Okay, we duplicate this info, and then the pause. Okay, we duplicate, and then we change it to S1, and the pause we duplicate again. The same, don't change, it's still 2 seconds. Okay, after that we take the show number again. We can duplicate or drag and drop again, and then we take the value to this value. Okay, we take it from Subcribe, drag and drop again. Okay, set to S5, and then we change it to 90, and then we duplicate again. So this become S1 with the values 180. Okay, and then okay, the last but not the least is we add the pause, but now it's not for 2 seconds, but it's for 1 second. Don't forget to drag and drop as usual. Okay, so that's it for the coding. So I will give in trying like some like a trial. However, it. Okay. Maybe in next video I will edit like some microbits for these vending machines. Why I can take the record now because uh, I don't have the super bit. I don't have the tiny bit for that. And okay. Thank you for watching. And like usual, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to watch my next video, and don't forget to like and share to your friends too about this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch the next video too. Okay, maybe that's it from me. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, see you in next video. Okay, and before I closing, I forget for the conclusion for that video. So the conclusion is for this video is we can make some like such like of vending machines and microbit, but I'm sorry if there is no like a demo for the microbit vending machines, and maybe that's it for extra from the conclusion from me, and thank you for watching for this for the twice. And that's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.